everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and Her Clothes, and Happy New Year. So today is December 31st, 2022, the very last day of the year, and my no-buy has not started yet. So I did quite a few purchases before this no-buy started, and they're starting to trickle in now. So I figured I'd show them to you. And I have to say, I have to think to myself, what was I thinking on some of them? Okay. So let's go first. First is this sweater from The Loft that I really do like. It's a color block sweater. It's part of their new spring line. I got it at 30% off. I'll try and look and see what the price was that I paid for it. I think it was probably still around the $40 range. It is, let me show you the colors. It's a color blocking that has navy blue, turquoise, pink, orange, and then cream on top. And I believe it's 60% acrylic, 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, I believe. Yes, 66% cotton, 40% acrylic, machine wash, cold, delicate with light colors. Now, I also have that sweater, that knit top that I got from The Loft that has similar colors in this, and it's striped. It doesn't have the turquoise, it's on a cream background with the navy, the pink, and the orange. So I'm thinking, do I really need this? This I did not buy in the store. It was shipped to me, and when it was shipped to me, it was in the package, it had a flaw. So can you see that little flaw there? Hopefully you can, right over here. It was like, I don't know, it's kind of almost like a pull in the fabric. So I know already I'm going to return this. I'm going to try it on and see how it looks on me, and if I really like the way it looks, I'll exchange it, but most likely I'm going to return it. I do like the little scalloping around the neck, but I am not too thrilled with the high neckline on this. I was hoping it would be a little bit lower, but we'll try it on. We'll see how it looks. You never know. And if I really love it, I will exchange it. Otherwise, I'll return it. And again, that was Loft. The next thing I got from Loft is something I've actually needed, and it's on my list, is a navy blue belt. I will try this on with the navy blue sweater and the jeans I'm currently wearing, and we'll make a determination of if it's good or not. Next up, something from Stitch Fix Freestyle. This sweater is by Vero Moda. It is the Finny button cardigan. They're calling it dark purple, which isn't, I agree, but it's almost like a raisin color, all right? It's almost like, is it brown? Is it plum, burgundy? You know, you're not quite sure. It is so dark. I love this color. It's probably one of my favorite colors. I really like it because it's like, it kind of confuses you. You're not quite sure what color it is. Super soft. I'll give you the material on this. Oh, and the belt is 100% leather, and I paid, I think, about $20 for the belt. And the sweater is, let's see, can I read all this? Can I read this? Polyester. It's in like every language possible. I have a feeling it is, okay, it is certain percent of recycled polyester, and then 42% regular polyester, and then 3% elastane. So it's mostly polyester, but it's super soft. It has the button detail here in the front. I really like this sweater. However, I do notice it is extremely wide. I don't know if you can see that. I got this in my normal size extra small, but this is like a very boxy sweater. So we'll have to see how it looks and lays on me. If it looks sloppy, I'm not gonna keep it. It was $58 from Stitch Fix. All right, the next item I have is definitely a WTF moment. Like, Carolyn, what were you thinking? I just did, and I'll link down below, my fashion resolutions for 2023. And one of them is no more skirts or dresses. I simply don't wear them, right? I don't need them. So what do I buy? What do I buy? From Amazon, from Chickwish, all right? I bought myself a tulle skirt. Like, really, Carolyn? What was I thinking? Really? Hello? Do I need a tulle skirt? No. I'll try this on for you. It is very cute and pretty, but I have absolutely nowhere to wear this. This would kind of like stick out on me like a sore thumb. Like, why are you wearing that? You know, it almost looks like costume-ish. All right. It is very pretty. It has like velvet flowers here, tulle background. It is a single layer. Yes, it appears to be a single layer. Nope, two layers. One with the pretty overlay and another tulle underneath. And then, of course, a polyester lining. So, I mean, it is very pretty. Where I would wear something like this, I have no idea. Like a garden tea party, that's an appropriate place to wear it. So the color is like a coca and the flowers are black. I think it's very beautiful, but again, I have no use for this. So this would be something I buy. It was like $35. It would sit in my closet. So this is going back. I don't know why I bought it. It is pretty. I do like it. It did catch my eye, but I really have no place to wear something like this. All right, give me a minute and I'll do some dress up. Okay, first up I have this sweater and I like it. I think it's cute and fun. So it does match up here on the sides, which is a sign of quality, in my opinion, of quality work. And on the arms, look how they match up here on the arms going across, I think, well too. I think this is kind of fun. I don't even mind the high neck. I wish it was a little bit like a V-neck or a scoop neck, but I do like it. I think the colors and the way it fits and everything else makes it a little fun. One little bit of warning for anybody. I got my usual extra small, and I do have to say, I have been working out and lifting heavier weights at the gym. The forearms are a little snug. They're not like uncomfortable, but they're tighter than what I'm usually accustomed to in loft sweaters. So if you have a little bit of a larger arm, you might want to consider sizing up. The funny thing is here it feels fine. It's really the forearms that feel a little bit snug. Nothing uncomfortable though. This is the striped top that I recently got also from Loft, but I think they're so different because of the size of the stripes, and throw in, you know, the bold pink and the bright turquoise. I think they're different enough that I can keep both. So I think I will. I will go back and exchange it because the boo-boo that I have on the sweater is like literally on my boob right here. So, you know, I want a sweater I'm paying, even if I get it for cheap, I don't want any pulls in it, so I'll exchange it. The belt, highly recommend the belt. I needed a navy belt. They do come in other colors. I always put my links down below so you can check them out yourself. But you'll see it's just a basic, you know, belt with a thing. And navy belts for 20 bucks are not so easy to come by that are 100% leather. I believe I got the size extra small, and it was the right choice for me. And I'm happy with my belt purchase. So I'm keeping the belt, and I'm going to exchange the sweater at Loft. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna try on the Stitch Fix sweater next. All right, the Stitch Fix sweater I'm a little bit disappointed in, and I'm debating what I should do about it. I love the color. Yeah, obviously I do because I picked it out. I'm gonna come closer so hopefully you can see the fabric, because it's not like a perfect, there is actually some like blue threads mixed in there, some pink threads, but overall it's this really dark purple color that kind of almost, I mean, it's actually looking lighter here on the camera, but when you look at it, it almost has like almost a brown tint to it, okay? It has the buttons down here. It's a modest V. I threw on a cami underneath, but you can probably get away without a cami if you're taller than me. I would need a cami because I'm just short this way. This is incredibly soft. I'm not so sure it would wash well, to be honest with you, but I do like it. It kind of has the balloon sleeves. What I don't like is the fit. It's just very wide and boxy. Like, I don't mind it being not body conforming, but I would want it to at least cinch in at my waist to give me some sort of waist definition. But this is just like one big floaty box. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbutton it and see how it looks unbuttoned. And I'm not so sure the quality meets the $58 price tag on this one too, either, to be honest with you. I'm not so sure how this one will last in the wash, okay? So here it is open. And again, I do like this. I'm kind of torn between it because I love the color, love the softness, love the concept of it. It's the fit and the quality. I'm just not so sure it's there, all right? And the back of it, and I'm doing this because I'll probably make the determination by watching the footage back what I'm gonna be doing with this. All right, this is the sweater. And next up is that tulle skirt, which I know is going back. Why did I buy that? I don't know. All right, give me a minute. Okay, so now I have on the skirt, and let me back all the way up so you can see it. So this skirt is an Amazon purchase from Chickwish. So you have to remember that you're not gonna get the quality there for a $35 skirt. Do I think this skirt is worth $35? Yes. I would hand wash this. I'm not even sure if they will tell you how to wash it, but this is definitely something that I do not think would last in any machine, even with a garment bag. This is obviously an occasion skirt, something that you would not wear often. But let me show you one thing that I don't like about this. So what they did is like it has like I guess what you call kind of pleats at the fabric. It's not even pleats. I guess they tried to make it like pleats. Things are like sewn together. Let's see if I can bring this down so you can see it. All right, so like no matter where I went, there was like a line. I can twist this around all I want, but like every 3 inches, there's another, I'll call it a pleat, but it's really a seam, all right? And as you can see, the raw stitching detail through the mesh. So to me, that's not exactly the sign of something quality. That said, it's a $35 skirt. So if I wanted to dress up for a night and do something kind of fun, if I had an event to go to, which I don't think this is bad. Like maybe you have multiple events to go to and you don't need to look that expensive, but you want to look pretty. This is a good skirt. I don't have anywhere to wear this, so I don't know why I purchased it. Usually on Amazon, I'm very hesitant to buy my size, and I typically size up. I bought my normal size extra small, and I'm glad I did. This is an elastic waist, and there is plenty of give and room in this, all right? If they came in smaller, I probably could have gone down smaller and would have done fine. So if you like this skirt, there's all different colors and patterns, there's butterflies, etc. Go for it. I would recommend it if you have something you want to wear it like once to. Maybe it's like maybe you have a friend whose daughter is having a bridal shower in the middle of winter and you want something like this because you can wear tights with it, with a boot, you know. And it would be perfect, you know, for like a bridal shower or something like that. I have nowhere to wear it again. All right. Nice skirt. Just, I don't need it. It's not something that should be taking up any real estate in my closet, so I'll be sending it back. All right. Well, that is it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you like this haul, stick around. I'm going to be doing some more hauls as things start trickling in, and then I'm going to be doing some Style My Closet videos. Give this video a thumbs up and click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.